Today we will see another recruitment. First of all, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe this channel and like this channel and share this video to your friends. Okay friends, this job is for who all are having the goal to become teacher in your favorite subject. This job is good for them. But this job is in Delhi. The government of NCT of Delhi have released this recruitment. There are 16 number of posts. I will explain in detail by detail. First we will see about when we will to apply and what is the last date of closing of application to apply. The opening date of application was 25/5/2021. Still not decided, still 3 more days there to apply, but we will see all the 16 posts, what's the eligibility criteria and what's the pay scale. Okay guys, the first post was trained graduate teacher for Hindi. This is for females. Total post was 551. The education qualification required was BA. Honor is one of the modern Indian language concerned for or BA with MIL concerned one of the elective subjects from a recognized university having 45% marks in aggregate, with one additional language or one school subject at degree level. Okay, or equivalent oriental degree in MIL concerned from a recognized university having 45% marks in aggregate. Next, either Sahitya Ratan of Hindi Sahitya Sammelana Prayag having secured at least 45% marks in aggregate with English in matriculation. People who are having these, please apply. It is very good job, and degree or diploma in teaching knowledge of Hindi is essential. These are the requirements. Should have qualified CTET from CBSE. Okay guys, here the pay scale was rupees 9,300 to 34,800 plus grade pay 4,600. B non-gazetted. Okay, let's move on to next post. Here the trained graduate teacher in the male. Here the same qualification required, but the pay scale was 9,300 to 34,800 also. Grade pay 4,600 as it is same, but age was below 32 years. For female, the age was for female the age was same 32 years also. Next we want move to third post, that is trained graduate teacher natural science for male. Here the required qualification is a bachelor degree or equivalent from a recognized university having secured 45% marks in aggregate. Okay. Next, in two school subjects of which at least one out of the following should have been elective level: English, mathematics, natural or physical science, social science. Main subjects for TGT, natural science or physical science, shall be physics, chemistry, biology, botany or geology. Social science, history, political science, economics, business studies, sociology, geography, psychology. Here these are the essentials you have. Please apply and get it. And we will move to next one. Here the pay scale also same. Next, this is for female, the same for natural science trained graduate teacher, all are the same. Next we will move to trained graduate teacher max female, a bachelor degree or equivalent from a recognized university having secured 45% marks in aggregate. The school two subjects with at least one of the following should be have in the elective level: English, mathematics, natural or physical science, social science, as it is for the above portion only. If you have any doubt, I will put in a notification link in description. You have to go and study in detail. Next, for the trained graduate teacher max male, this is also for same. And next one was the trained graduate teacher social science male, this is also same. And the next one was the trained graduate teacher, social science for female. This is also same. You have guys. I have explained some first two because I have skipping this all. But you want to apply this. You have study full. I will given a notification in description link. Okay. Next we will move on to next one. Here the another post for junior secretariat assistant. Here the education qualification required is matriculation or secondary school exam from a recognized university or board or equivalent. Ability to type at a speed or not of not less than 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi on computer. Here the pay scale was rupees 5,200 to 20,200 plus grade pay 1900 group C. Okay, next we will move on to another post, that is counselor. Here the Department of Women and Child Development and Prison Department. Here the essential required is bachelor degree in psychology, applied psychology, postgraduate diploma in counseling psychology, 1 year experience of working with clinical psychologist organization working in the field of mental health, or master degree in psychology, counseling psychology, clinical psychology, applied psychology from a recognized university. C1 was here the another also studied Hindi as subject as any level from secondary onward. Here the pay scale was 9,300 to 34,800 plus grade pay 4,200. GCS group B non-gazetted non-ministerial. Okay, let's move on to assistant teacher for primary in the department of directorate of education. In the second page they have given with post with in which department you have to work. Please go through this guys in notification. I have given notification link in description box. Okay, here the required essential was senior secondary with at least 50% marks and 2 years diploma in elementary education, or senior secondary with at least 45% marks and 2 years diploma in elementary education, senior secondary with at least 50% marks and 4 years bachelor of elementary education, or senior secondary with at least 50% marks and 2 years diploma in education, or graduation and 2 years diploma in elementary education. Second one was the pass in the central teacher eligibility test CTET conducted by the Central Board of Secondary Education. Must have passed Hindi or Urdu or Punjabi or English as a subject as a secondary level. Okay guys, let's move on to pay scale was same. Next we will move on to another post, that is head clerk. Here the department was Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board. Here the essential required is bachelor degree or equivalent from any recognized university and computer proficiency. Pay scale was same as above. Next move on to another for post assistant primary teacher. Here the essential required was 12th pass with 50% marks, 5% relaxation in case of SC/ST from a recognized board, 2 years diploma in primary education or certificate course in ET, JBT, DIET, BA, BI, EI, ED, ED from a recognized institution. Must have passed Hindi as a subject in 10th class. The candidate should have passed in central teacher eligibility test to be conducted by the appropriate government in accordance with the guidelines formed by the NCTE for the purpose. Here the desirable was computer knowledge also required, and the pay scale was 9,300 to 34,800, grade pay 4,200. Same group B. The group was B non-gazetted non-ministerial. Okay, let's move on to next post. That one the last post, Patwari. Here the department was Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board. Here the essential qualification required is graduate from any recognized university or equivalent thereof. Desirable here is proficiency in computer, working knowledge of Urdu or Hindi. Here the pay scale was 5,200 to 20,200, grade pay 2,000, group C. Okay, now let's see about the how to apply this. Here candidates must apply online through only, no other mode of application shall be affected. Okay, the candidates must read the instruction for applying online carefully. Okay, here you have to apply this in d/s/bon line dot nic dot in, where candidate can log in for filling up of application. Here you can go and apply this. And we will next move on to examination fees and mode of payment. 100 rupees for only women candidates and candidates belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, PWD and ex-servicemen. Those who are all coming these under, there is no fees for this one. And the candidate submitting their application should pay the requisite fees only through SBI ePay only. Guys, study this and I will put a notification link. And the selection will made through 1 tier or 2 tier examination scheme, skill test wherever applicable. Here the examination scheme questions will be bilingual, they told, except for language papers which would be in the language concerned only. There is no provision for revaluation or rechecking of answer sheets. Okay, let's move on to another thing. Here the syllabus also they given. First, for 1 tier examination, the syllabus was general awareness, general intelligence and reasoning ability. They all given some syllabus what to study. Go through guys this one and prepare for exam. Arithmetical and numerical ability, Hindi language and comprehension. Hindi language and comprehension. And here section B for tier 2 examination. Syllabus for tier 1 examination will be as that 1 tier 2 examination. Syllabus of tier 2 examination here they have given. Go through guys. And eligibility criteria you should have that I have explained now guys. What are the qualifications you required and what are the essential required, that is you must have, and the candidates must be citizen of India. Okay, go through guys the reservation benefits and the age of relaxation. Download the notification and read all the guys and apply, and tell me your friends to also apply who have interested in this. Okay, it is very good, government of NCT Delhi. Okay guys, please share this maximum and tell to your friends to apply, and it will help a lot for your friends. And put on this video and share to your WhatsApp groups, and give a thumbs up and subscribe this channel guys. Okay.